Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. Today I'm going to be talking about the pronunciation and meaning of two of the stars in the Matariki star cluster. So we've got T and Ta, and it's a really good example of the different pronunciation of the letter T. So we're putting a break after each vowel. Wai turns into wai, and you know that's about water. So these stars are referring to and connected to different bodies of water. So T is about sweetness, and the T is referring to fresh water, and Ta is about saltiness, and the Ta is referring to seawater, salty water. And so this YT is referring to the fresh water and all of the creatures that live within fresh water, and Ta is referring to the seawater and all of the creatures that live within the sea. So the pronunciation, I just want to do this a little bit as well. If you can hear the difference with what I'm saying YT and Ta. You can hear the difference with those T's, YT and Ta. And that's because in Te Reo Māori, the T and the tu have the T sound, but the others don't. They have a flat sound. Ta, te, to, and ti, tu. So just practice and get a bit more used to that now that you are aware of it, and just see if you can gradually get those correct in your use of Te Reo Māori, and particularly with the singing of the song Wai ti, wai ta, and that would be a really good way to practice. Ka kite.